Good afternoon. My name is Riddhi Chadda, Assistant Professor at CPJ. Today we have our guest with us, Advocate Hiteshi Kakkar ma'am. So ma'am, I want to ask you, as we know that same-sex marriage is legalized in more than 35 countries, so including US, UK, Switzerland. So do you think that this is even possible in India also?
Yes, I do think it is possible in India for the reason that with the time we have been making certain amendments in our laws time and again according to the needs. So I don't think that it is an impossible thing which we cannot do. But yes, there are a lot of amendments in the laws which also has to be considered while incorporating same sex marriages, because in India the main challenging question here is personal laws. We have Muslim law, Christianity law, Hindu law. So all these, first, if we talk about same sex marriage, it is very important, I would say, that we need juristic persons from different personal laws to come and sit together and have a vision how to actually implement this same sex marriage law.
Okay, ma'am. Recently, we saw in 2022, Supreme Court refused to recognize same-sex marriage. So, what do you think about that judgment?
See, if you read the judgment of the Honorable Supreme Court, even that judgment was into 3:2 ratio. That means even our Chief Justice, Honorable Chief Justice, was also of the opinion that this should be enacted. But since the majority of the judges did not agree to that point, but if you will read the judgment, there are certain suggestions which the Honorable Supreme Court has given for the legislature for the state to understand the concept of union, of marriage, and certain amendments and certain steps which we can take while when we talk about same sex marriage. So I would say that at present maybe it seems an impossible job, but with the time, I think when that amendments, that suggestions of the Honorable Supreme Court will be incorporating it, it will be a possibility.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, as we see the major religions in the world, and especially in India, in Hinduism, in Christianity, in Muslim religion, the same-sex marriage is considered as a sin. So, do you think that this legalizing this same-sex marriage is suitable in India with all those religions?
Yes, I do think it is, because as I told you earlier that there were certain like Saptapadi. Earlier we used to follow so many outdated things we used to follow, like, how would I say, Sati Pratha also. And I don't think that it's a one day change. It's a thinking of the society, and if something new has come up, then we need more people to educate, to talk about it more vocally, because as we see that with the time the same sex people, this topic is coming up. So this is very new, and if something comes very new, so everybody, even I am not aware of the repercussions. I don't know how would I feel that how a lesbian would feel, how a gay would feel. So I would say that it is a process, and it is not something that we can think ki ek din mein things will fall into place. But eventually I am very positive that this change will be adapted.
Thank you, ma'am. So, just give me one advice you want to tell for our law students.
See, being a law student myself, I would have only one advice to all the students: that follow your heart. Nothing is impossible in this field. Everything is possible. There are lot of lot of directions in this field, because when I see people, you are a first generation advocate, so how will you gonna manage, or you want to go into corporate, or you want to go here. So just believe in yourself, you will do wonders, and this field has lot to offer, irrespective that you should have willingness to do what is required.
Thank you, ma'am. So, ma'am, how was your experience at CPJ?
My experience was amazing. I am very, I feel very, good that I am sharing the stage with my professor, Miss Aksa ma'am, and I am really happy that my professor, Miss Shweta Gupta, has invited me, and I have received a warm welcome, and I look forward to work with CPJ in future.
Thank you, ma'am. We are very grateful to have you. Thank you so much. Thank you.